Well, hey there, Chef Donna here, and welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today, I am heading to my client's house, and she is about to have a baby any day now. Now, I don't know if you ever heard about it. There's a restaurant that's in Georgia. It's right outside of Atlanta in Smyrna, Georgia. It's called Scalini's Italian Restaurant, and they claim that if you eat their eggplant parmesan, you will have your baby right away. So my client is about to have a baby any day now, so she's requested I make this eggplant parmesan for her today. So I'm gonna get everything I need at the grocery store, and then I'm gonna head over to her house. So I'm at my client's house, and we're gonna make our Scalini's eggplant babies parmesan. So I'm going to start with heating up some oil in my pot, and then I'm going to add a whole onion and then some garlic. And I'm just going to saute this up until it becomes translucent. The onion has softened, it's lightly browned, and it's translucent. So I'm going to go ahead and add the tomatoes. So I have a string tomato here, and then I'm also going to add some chopped tomatoes. I really like the texture in sauce when it has some chunks of tomato right in it. Then also I'm going to add some basil, parsley, thyme, and rosemary, and there's oregano in here too. So I'm going to add this all in, and then I'm going to let it come up to a simmer, and I'm going to just let it cook for about 30 minutes. As I wait for the sauce to simmer, I'm going to go ahead and get the eggplant breaded. So I've cut it into rounds. I'm going to first put it in flour, and then into egg, and then into breadcrumb. My client is gluten-free, so I'm using gluten-free breadcrumbs and gluten-free flour. I have all the eggplant breaded, and now we're just going to get it fried up. I have my breaded eggplant here, and then some paper towels to drain it on after we fry it. I'm letting the pans come up to heat, and then I'm going to get going. I'm going to use the olive oil to fry it. The eggplant is brown on one side, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and get the other side nice and golden brown. Hi Lily, so what do you think about having a new baby brother coming soon? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you have a name for your baby brother?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Mickey.
Mickey? Like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think mommy likes that name?
Yeah.
She does? I don't know if she does or not. So now we're going to take a few minutes and we're going to layer our eggplant parmesan, so when baby Mickey arrives, it'll be ready. So the first thing we're going to do is add some sauce into the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to layer it with the eggplant and the cheese. Ricotta cheese. Parmesan cheese with a little Romano. have all of the layers done now. So we're just gonna top it with some mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna get it into the oven to bake. So the timer just went off and I'm gonna get that eggplant parmesan out of the oven. Okay, let's take a quick peek. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna top it with some fresh parsley just to give it a little color. So I'm all finished up and I'm heading home for the day. The eggplant parmesan is in the refrigerator, all tucked away, waiting for them to get home for dinner tonight. I will keep you posted on the baby watch. So exciting. I will also add the URL down below for Scalini's Italian restaurant, so you can read all about the eggplant babies yourself and download the recipe. So I hope you're all having a fabulous day, and until next time, keep it homemade every day. Bye everyone.